So if you are preparing for any exam, the chapter weightage is at least 2 to 4 marks, and very dead easy topic, guys. Very dead easy topic, right? So look at the screen, guys. Here in direction, total how many sides? 4 sides. Okay, so just remember news. Just remember news. So N for north, E for east, W for west, and S for south. Okay, just remember news. Okay, so look at the screen, guys. Here, yes, always our face side is north side, guys. Always our face side is north side. So okay, real world lo ఉన్న directions ఇక్కడ apply చేయొద్దండి. Okay, we are going to concept wise. So always our face side is north side. For example, you're sitting here facing this side. This side is a north side. For example, I'm standing here facing this side. This side is a north side. Okay, just remember always our face side is a north side. Got my point, all of you? Yes. Okay. Sometimes the question like this: one person facing to the straight line. One person facing to the straight line. Straight line means which direction? North direction. Very good. Okay. So one person facing to the north side and straight line, it's the same meaning, right? Okay. For example, one person facing to the north side. So this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. And this topic, left and right also very important, guys. Okay, for example, always north right hand side is east side. North right hand side is east side. So north opposite is south side. East opposite is west side. Okay, so north and east middle is northeast. South and east middle is southeast. South and west middle is southwest. And northwest middle is northwest. North and west middle is northwest. Total how many sides? 8 sides. What are they? North, east, south, west, northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Total how many sides, guys? 8 sides. Okay, so exactly ga untene andi. Exactly ga untene. So north side, east side, south side, west side and chepta. Okay, so this is a right angle, right? This is a right angle. Right angle how many degrees? 90 degrees. So this is also right angle, 90 degrees, and this is also right angle, 90 degrees, and this is also right angle, 90 degrees. In a circle, total how many degrees? 360 degrees. For example, one person facing to the north side, moving right hand side. Moving right hand side means it is a clockwise direction. Moving your right hand side. Okay, so it is a clockwise direction. For example, moving left hand side, it is a anti-clockwise direction. Just remember, guys, left means anti-clockwise direction and right means clockwise direction. Okay, for example, one person facing to the north side. For example, one person facing to the north side, moving clockwise direction 45 degrees. So this is a 45 degrees, right? Moving clockwise direction 45 degrees. In which direction man was standing now? North east direction. Very good. North east direction. For example, I'm taking same example. One person facing to the north side, moving anti-clockwise only 5 degrees. Moving anti-clockwise direction only 5 degrees. In which direction man was standing now? Northwest direction. That's why I'm saying, so exactly ga untene north side, east side, south side, west side. So 1 degree clockwise, anti-clockwise move aithe direction will be changed. Got my point, all of you? Okay, so I think it's enough. Okay, so for example, you are facing to the east side. So this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. For example, you are facing to the south side. So this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. For example, you are facing west side. So this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. Okay, so this is the fundamentals. If you are perfect in fundamentals, total entire chapter is very dead easy, guys. Okay, so 99% of the students, okay, so draw the diagrams, guys. Definitely direction problem solve చేయాలి definitely గా. So diagram draw చేసి solve చేస్తారు. Maybe 70% of the problems diagrams లేకుండా only 2 seconds లో, just 2 seconds లో problem మనం solve చేయొచ్చు. ఇది ఒక 30% మాత్రమే. ఓకే, ఒక 30% మాత్రం డయాగ్రామ్ యూస్ చేస్తాం, 70% డయాగ్రామ్ యూస్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, జస్ట్ 2 seconds మాత్రమే ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? ఓకే, సో దెన్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు ఫస్ట్ మోడల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. ఆల్రెడీ డ్రా చేశారండి అందరూ డయాగ్రామ్? This is a basic diagram, right? Okay, and coming to the model number 1, A starts walking towards north, turn left, again turns left, turns right, again turns right. In which direction is A walking now? Okay, first I'm going to basic method, guys. Here, first I'm going to basic method. Okay, so look at the thing, guys. Here, so direction problem always starts with point. Just imagination in this point. So north side, east side, south side, and west side. So that's why direction problem always starts with point. Okay, so A starts walking towards north side. Some distance we don't know, right? For example, this is a point A and this is a point B. Okay, and turn left. Left means, for example, I'm going to north side. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. It means some distance west side. Some distance traveling west side. Again turn to left side. For example, you are moving to west side. So this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. It means some distance south side. For example, this is a point D. Right? Again turn to right hand side. Again turn to right hand side. For example, if you are going to south side, so this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. South side, west side, some distance. Okay, for example, it's a point E. Again turn to right side. Again turn to right side. For example, you are going to west side, so the right hand side and this is the left hand side. It means you are moving some distance north side. Okay, in which direction A was walking now? What is the answer, guys? North side. Okay, so this is a basic diagram, guys. Okay, if you are going to basic method, definitely we are taking at least 2 to 3 minutes time. I think it's a waste of time. I want to answer just within fraction of seconds or without pen. No, no, no. So నువ్వు ఏ డైరెక్షన్ లో వెళ్తున్నావు అక్కడ లెఫ్ట్ టు రైట్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు నార్త్ సైడ్. ఇక్కడ పైన ఇక్కడ, సో బి నుంచి లెఫ్ట్ కి వచ్చాను. yes, for example, this is the west side. I'm going to west side. So this is my right hand side and this is my left hand side. Just a place to imagine చేసుకోండి అంతే. Okay, for example, I'm going to west side. So this is the right hand side, this is the left hand side. That's fine. Okay, yes. For example, if you are going to shortcut method, listen. Same is given. Same means, so for example, same is given, add. Same means left to left, right to right. Okay, same is given, add. Opposite is given, then cancel. Opposite is given, then cancel. Opposite means one left, one right, then cancel. Okay, same is given, add. Opposite is given, cancel. Okay, look at this thing, guys. Here already you know. So left means anti-clockwise, right means clockwise direction. Okay, one left means 90 degrees, one right means 90 degrees. Okay, two left, two rights means 180 degrees. So 3 left, 3 rights means 270 degrees. 4 left, 4 rights means 360 degrees. Just remember these points, guys. Okay, so a person walking towards, starting which direction? North side. Okay, north side. So turn left, starting, again turn left, again turn right, again turn right. Okay, so no one. Yes, so same is given, add. Opposite is given, cancel. One left, one right is cancel. One left, one right is cancel. It means 0. 0 means same direction, right? 0 means same direction. What is the answer? The answer is north side. Okay, so person starting which direction? North side. 0 means same direction. That is the answer. Okay, I think no need pen and paper. సో నేను మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ బోర్డు మీద నోట్ చేసి చూపిస్తాను. బట్ ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మీరు ఎవరికి నోట్ చేసి చూపించాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందా? నో అండి. ఐ థింక్ మరి పెన్ యూజ్ చేసామా, పేపర్ యూజ్ చేసామా, పెన్సిల్ యూజ్ చేసామా, నాట్ ఎ మ్యాటర్. రైట్ ఆన్సర్ టిక్ చేసామా, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ కి వెళ్ళామా, ఇది మాత్రమే ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? Okay, yeah, and move on to next one. So what is the answer, guys? Anyone? So which option is the right answer? I think no need pen and paper. A person starts walking towards east, turns left, again turns right, again turns right, turns left, finally turns left. In which direction is person is facing now? What is the answer? West direction. Okay, so let me check. No issue. A person starting which direction? East direction, right? So turns left, turns right, again turns right, again turns left, again turn left, again turn left. Okay, one left, 100 is cancelled, one right, one left is cancelled. Remaining is 2L. So 2L means how many degrees? 180 degrees. A person facing starting which direction? East direction. So L means anti-clockwise, right? So what for 90, 90, 180 degrees. In which direction? West direction. That's why option 3 is the right answer. Clear? I think no need pen and paper. Same is given and opposite is given, then cancel. So లేదు సార్ పద్ధతి ప్రకారం సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం సార్ డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేస్తాం సార్ అంటే యువర్ విష్. ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేసినా కూడా సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. So okay, any doubts regarding second question? సో మేబీ ఈ రికార్డింగ్స్ మీకు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయరు. ఆల్రెడీ నేను మేబీ హర్ష సార్తో మాట్లాడితే రికార్డింగ్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయొద్దండి. సో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నోట్ చేసుకోమని చెప్పండి. ఓకే లేదు అంటే ఫర్దర్గా తర్వాత చూద్దామన్నమాట. అది యువర్ విష్. నేను వెయిట్ చేయమంటే వెయిట్ చేస్తాను, క్వశ్చన్ నోట్ చేసేంత వరకు. మీకు కావాలని చెప్పండి, వెయిట్ చేస్తాను. సో నేను కూడా చాలాసేపు చూసాను నేను, అంటే ఎవరు నోట్ చేయట్లేదు, అందుకే కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్గా వెళ్ళాను. సో ఇక్కడ డైరెక్షన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏంటంటే టైం వేస్ట్ చేయడానికి అంతే. టైం ని కిల్ చేయాలి. ఎలా చేయాలంటే ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇవ్వాలి అంతే. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. What is the answer? Shiva starts walking towards southwest, turns right, turns left, turns right, again turns left, turns right, again turns right. In which direction is Shiva walking now? So a person starting southwest direction, right? Turn right. So turn left, turns right. Okay, again turns left, turns right. Okay, turns right, and again turns right. Okay, so right, left is cancelled, right, left is cancelled, triple R. Right, triple R moving now. Yes, very good. A person starting which direction? Southwest direction. Opposite is how many degrees? 180 degrees, right? So here right means clockwise direction, and this is a so 270 degrees southeast direction. Somebody saying northwest? No. Okay, so answer is southeast direction. Okay, so these are 180 degrees. 180 plus 90 is how much? 270. Then answer is southeast direction. Right means clockwise direction. I think you're checking anti-clockwise direction. That's why you say northwest direction. So right means clockwise direction, left means anti-clockwise direction. So any doubts regarding this question? Yeah, southwest. It is a clockwise, right? So 45, 45, 90. Okay, 45, 45, 90, 180. So 45, 45, 90, 270. Okay, so any doubts regarding this question? No. And move on to next one. So Raju walked 90 meters towards south and moves 80 meters towards east, and then moves a distance of 50 meters towards north, and then moves 50 meters towards west. In which direction is facing now? For example, you're going to north side, so left means you're moving west side. Again traveling some distance. Okay, again turn to right side, left side, some distance traveled. Yeah. The last place is there, you're counting starting place. So 1 second, guys. I think no need pen and paper. Listen. Okay. For example, one person going to 1 second. So you're coming to, I think, 3rd floor to 5th floor, right? Okay. So 3rd floor, you're facing which direction? North direction. Again. So you again turn to some distance. You're moving left side, right side. Okay. So according to pike వచ్చేటప్పుడు left to right move చేసుకుంటూ వచ్చే some distance travel చేశారు. Final ఏ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నారు మీరు? నార్త్ సైడ్ రైట్. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఎక్కడ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తే నాకేంటండి, మీరు ఎక్కడ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తే నాకేంటి, థర్డ్ ఫ్లోర్ లో ఎన్ని సైడ్స్ తిరిగి లెఫ్ట్ రైట్ ఎన్ని సైడ్స్ తిరిగితే నాకేంటి, ఫైనల్ గా మీరు ఏ డైరెక్షన్ ఉందో అది ఇంపార్టెంట్ నాకు, అంతేనా మనకి. సో లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏమన్నాడు, ఇన్ విచ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఈస్ ఫేసింగ్ నౌ, అంటే లాస్ట్ పొజిషన్ మనకు కావాలి ఇక్కడ రైట్. సో Ramu walk 90 meters south, okay, 80 meters east, and move distance of 50 meters towards north, and then move 50 meters towards west. అంటే ఫైనల్ గా వెస్ట్ సైడ్ మూవ్ అవుతూ ఉన్నాడు రైట్, 50 meters ట్రావెల్ చేశాడు. అండ్ ఇన్ విచ్ డైరెక్షన్ మ్యాన్ వాస్ ఫేసింగ్ నౌ, వెస్ట్ సైడ్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్. ఐ థింక్ నో నీడ్ పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్ అండి, సమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేశారు, నార్త్ ఈస్ట్ ట్రావెల్ చేశారు. ఓకే, సో ఫైనల్ గా వెస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్ లో 50 meters ట్రావెల్ చేశారంటే ఈ ఫేస్ ఎట్ సైడ్ ఉంటుంది, ఇప్పుడు వెస్ట్ సైడ్ ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్, అయిపోయింది. సో దీనికోసం పెన్నులు పేపర్ అవసరం అంటారా? ఐ థింక్ నో నీడ్ పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్, యూస్ కామన్ సెన్స్. వాట్ మై పాయింట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? ఓకే, సో లేదు సార్ పద్ధతి డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేద్దాం సార్ అంటే, ఎస్ డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేద్దాం. ఓకే, సో రాజు వాక్ 9 meters towards south, okay, 90 meters towards south, and next 80 meters towards east, 80 meters towards east, okay, and next 50 meters towards north. So 50 meters towards north, and next 50 meters towards west. So 50 meters towards west. In which direction man was facing now? West direction. That is answer. Then అవసరం అంటారా? No need, I think. Yes, use common sense. మీరు ఎక్కడెక్కడో రౌండ్ చేస్తుంటారు, బట్ ఫైనల్ గా మీరు ఏ డైరెక్షన్ ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నారో అది మాత్రం ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇక్కడ. సో లిసన్, సో స్టార్టింగ్ ఏమన్నాడు ఇక్కడ, సౌత్ సైడ్ సమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేశారు ఇక్కడ. సో ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 90. సో ఇక్కడ నుండి మీరు ఏం చేశారు, ఈస్ట్ వైపు వెళ్ళారు కదా, ఈస్ట్ అంటే వైపు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గోయింగ్ సౌత్ సైడ్, సో ఈస్ట్ అంటే ఇదే కదా నాకు, ఇటువైపు వెళ్తున్నా, లెఫ్ట్ రైట్ మనకు అవసరం లేదు ఇక్కడ. అక్కడ డైరెక్షన్ క్లియర్ గా ఉంది. ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో ఏమన్నాడు, లెఫ్ట్ టు రైట్ అన్నాడు, ఎందుకంటే మనం కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయడానికి అంతే. మీరు లెఫ్ట్ లో వెళ్ళాల్సిన రైట్ లో అరేంజ్ చేశారనుకోండి, సో ఆన్సర్ విల్ బి రాంగ్. సో అందుకోసం మాత్రమే సో డైరెక్షన్స్ క్లియర్ గా ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ మనకి. సౌత్ లో వెళ్తున్నాడు, సమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ 90 meters ట్రావెల్ చేశారు, అక్కడ నుండి ఈస్ట్ వైపు 80 meters ట్రావెల్ చేశారండి. సో అక్కడ నుండి సో నార్త్ సైడ్ 50 meters ట్రావెల్ చేశారు, అక్కడ నుండి వెస్ట్ సైడ్ 50 meters ట్రావెల్ చేశాడు. ఫైనల్ గా మీ ఫేస్ ఎక్కడ ఉందో అడుగుతుంది, విచ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఇస్ ఆన్సర్. క్లియరా? మీరు ఎక్కడెక్కడ రౌండ్ చేసి వచ్చుంటారు ఇంటి దగ్గర నుంచి వచ్చేటప్పుడు, సో సమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుంటారు, ఫైనల్ గా ఏం చేశారు, ఇక్కడ కూర్చున్నారు, నార్త్ వైపు చెక్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇది మనకి ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏంటంటే నో నీడ్ పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్, యూస్ జస్ట్ కామన్ సెన్స్. క్లియర్? ఎనీ డౌట్స్ రిగార్డింగ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్? Okay, so these are first model problems. Any doubts regarding first model problems? Yes, very good. So then move on to, we are going very slow, right? Should I increase my speed? Then tell me. Should I increase my speed? Yes, yes, very good. Okay, coming to the model number 2. A person travels 3 meters towards east and then turns right and travel 4 meters. What is the distance between the starting and final position of the person? Yeah, 5 meters. It's a simple problem, right? Okay, for example, a person travel 3 meters east side. So for example, it's a point A and this is a point B. Okay, don't write guys, I think it's a time waste problem. And turn to right, and turn to right means south side. How many meters? 4 meters. For example, is a point C. Find out the distance between starting point and ending point. This time use Pythagoras formula. What is the Pythagoras formula? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square is how much? Sorry, 3. 3 square is how much? 9. And here is 4. 4 square. 3 square is 9. 4 square is how much? 16. Okay. Root of 9 plus 16 is how much? 25. Root of 25 is how much? 5 meters. Okay. So this distance is how much, guys? 5 meters. Okay, so only one problem, guys. Only second model matrame we are using Pythagoras formula. Except in A models ki formulas awesome. Okay, so I think it's a time waste and the diagram lekunda problem solve cheddam. Is it clear all of you? Okay, don't write. I think time waste. Okay, so kavalante second problem note cheyandi. Small problem. Starting from his house, Sachin walks a distance of 8 meters towards north. Then he turns left and walks 6 meters. Then walks 3 meters towards south and finally travels 6 meters towards west to reach his office. So what is the distance between his house and office, and also find in which direction is his office suited with respect to his house. Okay, so good problem. So first I'm going to basic method. After that we are going to shortcut method, guys. Okay, starting from his house, Sachin walked a distance of 8 meters north side. So 8 meters north side. For example, is a point A and is a point B. And next, turn left side. Left side means moving west side. Moving how many meters? 6 meters. For example, point C. And then, so 3 meters towards south. 3 meters towards south. And for example, the point D. Okay. And finally, travel 6 meters towards west direction. Okay, 6 meters towards west direction. So this is the point E. Find out the distance between house and office in which direction. So already you know with respect to house, right? So distance find out Shadamani, and also find which direction suited with respect to his house. House nundi office ఏ direction లో ఉందండి? North west direction. North west direction. Okay, for example, 4 options is given. 4 options లో north west only one option ఉంది అనుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు distance find out చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందంటారా? I think no need, right? Okay, so answer పెట్టేయచ్చు. In case 2 options లో గాని ఇక్కడ north west ఉంది అనుకోండి, then go using Pythagoras formula. Okay, listen. So this distance is how much? 6 meters. Yes, very good. For example, this is a point here. Okay, listen. So AE square is equal to EF square plus AF square. Okay, so this distance is how much? 3 meters. The opposite is how much? 3 meters. And AF distance is how much? 5 meters. Total 8 meters. Already here is 3 meters, remaining is 5 meters. AF distance is how much? 5 meters. Let me calculate. So EF square is how much? 6 plus 6, 12 square. AF square is how much? 5 square. 12 square is how much? 144. 5 square is how much? 25. So 144 plus 25 is how much? 169. Root of 169 is how much? 13 meters. So then answer is northwest direction, 13 meters. Okay, if you are going to basic method, definitely this problem takes at least 2 to 3 minutes time. It's a waste of time. I want to answer just within fraction of seconds or without pen. Okay, so is it clear, guys? Any doubts regarding basic method? Any doubts, online students? So same is given, add, opposite is given, subtraction. In previous example, opposite is given, cancel. Here, subtraction. Okay, so a person starting 8 meters towards which direction? North. Okay, and next turn left. Left means west side. How many meters west? 6 meters. Again turn south side. How many meters? 3 meters. Again turn west direction. How many meters? 6 meters. The given information: north 8 meters, west 6 meters, south 3 meters, again west 6 meters. Okay, so use this formula, guys. Same is given, add, opposite is given, subtraction. So west is same, right? West how much? 12. 6 plus 6, 12. Opposite, north and south is opposite, right? ఇప్పుడు డౌట్ రావాలి మనకి. సరే ఇప్పుడు నార్త్ తీసుకోవాలా సౌత్ తీసుకోవాలని డౌట్ రావాలి. ఓకే, ఏ డైరెక్షన్ దగ్గర అయితే వాల్యూ హైయెస్ట్ ఉంటుందో ఆ డైరెక్షన్ మాత్రం మనం కన్సిడర్ చేస్తామండి. గట్ మై పాయింట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? ఏ డైరెక్షన్ దగ్గర అయితే హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఉంటుందో ఆ డైరెక్షన్ మనం కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు నార్త్ దగ్గర హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఉందా, సౌత్ దగ్గర హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఉందా? నార్త్. దెన్ టేక్ నార్త్. సో opposite is given, subtract. 8 minus 3, 5. So then answer is northwest direction. Only option, one option లో northwest ఉంటే మీరు యూజ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం, ఇంకా Pythagoras formula యూజ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదండి. ఓకే, సో find out the distance. Here is 5. 5 square plus 12 square, root of. So 5 square is 25. 12 square is 144. 25 plus 144 is how much? 169. Root of 169 is how much? 13 meters. Answer is northwest. Is clear all of you? I think no need pen and paper. Okay, so same is given, add, opposite is given, subtract. Okay, so take the highest value. Take the highest value. So opposite is given. So options lo gani only one option northwest unte. So don't check the distance. I think it's a time waste. In case two options unte, then move on to Pythagoras part. Is it clear all of you? So any doubts regarding this question, guys, online students? Yes, very good. Online students are not responding. Good, keep it up. Is it clear all of you? Guys, say yes or no. Online students. Good. Okay. And next, what is the answer, guys? I think no need pen and paper. Starting from her house, Nisha traveled 8 meters towards west, then turned right and traveled 15 meters. She then traveled 20 meters towards east, followed by 20 meters to south to reach a hostel. How far is her house from the hostel and in which direction? We are going to basic method. Definitely, we are taking 2 to 5 minutes time. I think it's a waste of time. Go through shortcut method. Only 2 minutes, 2 seconds, I think. What is the answer? Southeast, how many meters? So direction south. Yes, somebody is saying south direction. 13 meters. So very good, 13 meters. So 13 meters, somebody is saying northwest direction. Okay, let me check, no issue, guys. Nisha traveled 8 meters towards starting west side and then turn right. For example, you are moving to west side, turn right means north side, right? North, how many meters? 15 meters. She then traveled 20 meters east side 20 meters, followed by 20 meters south. South, how many meters? 20 meters. Okay, first find out the direction, guys, here. So north and south is opposite, right? Okay, taking south side or north side? South, because highest value is south. So 20 minus 15, 5. Next, so east and west is opposite. Okay, highest value is east. Okay, southeast. So 20 minus 8 is how much? 12. So then answer is southeast direction. Okay, only one option is southeast, then don't check the distance, guys. Okay, so for example, the distance is 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square is how much? 25. 12 square is 144. 169. Root of 169 is how much? 13 meters southeast direction. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Okay, same is given, then add, opposite is given, then subtract. I think no need pen and paper. And exam point of the inka easy ga only one option untundi anukondi, happy. So inka Pythagoras formula use cheyalsina avasaram ledhu. I think no need. So any doubts regarding this question, guys? Online students, any doubts regarding this question? Okay, so any doubts regarding second model problems? Any doubts regarding second model problems? So any problems ilage solve chestundi. Okay, I think it's time based, right? Okay, so can I ask one general question? Yes, can you prove 2 plus 2 is equal to 5? Can you prove 2 plus 2 is equal to 5? 20 minus 20 is equal to 25 minus 25. Both sides are equal, right? 0 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, 20 can be written as 4 into 5 minus 4 into 5. 25 can be written as 5 into 5 minus 5 into 5. Again, 0 is equal to 0, right? So here is common 4. So 5 minus 5 is equal to, here is common 5. 5 minus 5. So minus 5 is cancelled, right? Okay. So then 4 is equal to 5. 4 can be written as 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. Clear? Just for fun maths, guys. So can you prove 100 is equal to 6? Can you prove 100 is equal to 6? Okay, let me check, no issue. Okay, so then coming to the model number 3. Listen, guys, I think very, very important model. Model number 3. One morning, A and B were talking to each other face to face at a crossing. If B's shadow was exactly to the left of A, which direction was A facing? Okay, it is a shadow problems, guys. Okay, so shadow problems law starting statement is very clear. One morning, one evening, one afternoon. This problem is belongs to shadow problems. Okay, so sunrise is which side? East side. Okay, sunset is which side? West side. Okay, for example, one morning I'm facing to the east side. One morning I'm facing to the east side. My shadow will be which direction? మన షాడోస్ ఎప్పుడైనా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాం మనం డెఫినెట్లీ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, వన్ మార్నింగ్ ఫేసింగ్ టు ద ఈస్ట్ సైడ్, మై షాడో విల్ బి విచ్ డైరెక్షన్? మన బ్యాక్ ఉంటుంది కానీ అది ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీగా స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ ఉంటుందా? అస్సలు ఉండదు. మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే మన షాడో అనేది ఎప్పుడు స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ అసలు ఉండదు. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? వెస్ట్ సైడ్ అనేది ఆన్సర్ అవ్వదు డెఫినెట్లీగా. అంటే మై షాడో విల్ బి మై రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఆర్ మై లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్. అంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీగా ఉంటేనే డైరెక్షన్స్ ఏం చెప్పాను మీకు ఆల్రెడీ స్టేట్మెంట్. అంటే నా షాడో ఎలా ఉంటుంది? సో నార్త్ సైడ్ కానీ లేకపోతే సౌత్ సైడ్ కానీ ఉంటుంది. అంటే 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి మనకి ఇక్కడ. ఈ 4 ఆప్షన్స్ లో 2 ఆప్షన్స్ మనం ఎలిమినేట్ చేయొచ్చు తెలివిగా ఆలోచిస్తే. ఓకే, సో ఈస్ట్ వైపు వెస్ట్ వైపు ఆన్సర్ అసలు ఉండదు షాడో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో. ఓన్లీ నార్త్ సైడ్ సౌత్ సైడ్ మాత్రమే ఆన్సర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో సంబడి యూజింగ్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ అండి. ఐ థింక్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ డ్రా చేయడం కూడా ఐ థింక్ టైం వేస్ట్, లిటిల్ బిట్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, లెట్ మీ చెక్ గైస్ హియర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, వన్ మార్నింగ్ two friends Uday and Vishal were talking to each other face to face at a crossing. Problem లో క్లియర్ గా ఉంటుందండి. at a crossing, face to face గానీ ఆపోజిట్ గానీ అని ప్రాబ్లం లో క్లియర్ గా ఉంటుందండి. వన్ పర్సన్ ఫేస్ టు ఫేస్, వన్ పర్సన్ ఆపోజిట్ ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉండవండి. ఓకే, 2 పర్సన్ ఫేస్ టు ఫేస్ ఉంటుంది, 2 పర్సన్స్ ఆర్ సిట్టింగ్ ఇన్ ఏ పార్క్ ఇన్ ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్. ఇలాంటి స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఇస్తారు మనకి. Okay, so one morning, two friends Uday and Vishal were talking to each other face to face at a crossing. Uday's shadow was exactly Vishal's right hand side. Okay, Uday's shadow was exactly Vishal's right hand side. In which direction Vishal was facing now? అంటే డయాగ్రామ్ ని ఇలాగెందుకు డ్రా చేయాలి? సో ఇలా డ్రా చేసుకుంటే కాదంటారా? సో ఉదయ్ అండ్ విశాల్ ఇలా డ్రా చేయొచ్చా? ఉదయ్ ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు తీసుకోవాలి? ఇక్కడ విశాల్ తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా, ఇక్కడ ఉదయ్ తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా. చేశారు నో? సో లిటిల్ బిట్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ డెఫినెట్లీగా వస్తాయి. అందుకే నేను చెప్తానంటే చిన్న టేబుల్ ఒకటి చెప్తాను, ఆ టేబుల్ గుర్తు పెట్టుకోండి. అది ఎంత పెద్ద క్వశ్చన్ అయినా సరే వితౌట్ పెన్ తో సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు మనం, వితౌట్ పెన్ తోటి, విత్ ఇన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్స్ లో. సో మనకి షాడోస్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి? మార్నింగ్, ఈవినింగ్. ఓకే, సో మార్నింగ్, ఈవినింగ్ ఉంటాయి. మై షాడో విల్ బి మై లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఆర్ మై రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్. ఇవి మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది మనకి. మై షాడో విల్ బి మై లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఆర్ మై రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్. సో మీకు 10th క్లాస్ లో ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది, ఎన్ఎస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ అని గుర్తుందా? ఎన్ఎస్. ఓకే, అండ్ ఈవినింగ్ వచ్చేసరికి ఆపోజిట్ అండ్. సో ఎన్ ఫర్ నార్త్, ఎస్ ఫర్ సౌత్. ఓకే, సో వన్ మార్నింగ్ Uday and Vishal were talking to each other face to face at a crossing. Uday's shadow was exactly Vishal's right hand side. In which direction Vishal facing now? That is the question, right? Okay, so problem na morning anana, evening anana, morning ki velipodam. So shadow left anana, right anana, right anna Uday. So shadow was exactly Vishal's right hand side. Okay, so shadow ekkada undi ipudu? South side. Okay, in which direction Vishal was facing now? It means so Vishal facing south side. So one more point guys here, shadow ఎవరిదైనా ప్రాబ్లం లేదండి ఇక్కడ. షాడో ఉన్న పర్సన్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటారా, ఆపోజిట్ పర్సన్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటారా? ఇది మాత్రం ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇక్కడ. షాడో ఎవరి దగ్గర ఉంది? ఇక్కడ విశాల్ దగ్గర ఉంది, రైట్? సో విశాల్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నారా, ఆపోజిట్ పర్సన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నారా? విశాల్. In which direction Vishal was facing now? It means the answer is south side. For example, in which direction Uday was facing now? Okay, Vishal ki opposite, north. So the Uday was facing north side and Vishal was facing south side. Got my point, all of you? షాడో ఎవరిదైనా ప్రాబ్లం లేదండి. షాడో ఎవరి దగ్గర ఉంది, షాడో ఉన్న పర్సన్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటారా, ఆపోజిట్ పర్సన్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నారా? ఇది మాత్రం క్లియర్ గా ఉంటే చాలు. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? ఓకే, సో చెక్ ద ప్రాబ్లం గైస్. వన్ మార్నింగ్ ఏ అండ్ బి వర్ టాకింగ్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. వన్ మార్నింగ్ అన్నాం, ఎస్ మార్నింగ్ కి వెళ్ళిపోదాం, రైట్? సో టాకింగ్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్ ఫేస్ టు ఫేస్ ఎట్ ఏ క్రాసింగ్. B's shadow was exactly to the left of A. Okay, shadow left అన్నామా రైట్ అన్నామా? లెఫ్ట్ అన్నాం, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ వెళ్ళిపోదాం. అంటే ఇన్ విచ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఏ వాస్ ఫేసింగ్ నౌ? సో దెన్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ నార్త్ సైడ్. అంటే షాడో ఏ దగ్గరే ఉంది, దేని పర్సన్ విచ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. సో దెన్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ నార్త్ సైడ్. బట్ మై పాయింట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? సో షాడో ఎవరిదైనా ప్రాబ్లం లేదండి. ఇక్కడ షాడో ఎవరి దగ్గర ఉంది, షాడో ఉన్న పర్సన్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటాడా, ఆపోజిట్ పర్సన్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటాడా? ఇది మాత్రం క్లియర్ గా ఉంటే చాలండి. ఓకే, సో బి షాడో వాస్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ. ఏ దగ్గర షాడో ఉంది. ఇన్ విచ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఏ వాస్ ఫేసింగ్ నౌ? సో దెన్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ నార్త్ సైడ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇన్ విచ్ డైరెక్షన్ బి వాస్ ఫేసింగ్ నౌ? సో ద ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ సౌత్ సైడ్. Got my point, all of you? Yes or no? Just remember this table, guys. You can solve any problems in shadow problems just within fraction of seconds. Okay, so any doubts regarding this question, guys? Online students, any doubts regarding this question? Just note down the table. Morning, evening. Is it clear, all of you? షాడో ఉన్న పర్సన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నా, ఆపోజిట్ పర్సన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నా. ఇది క్లియర్ గా ఉంటే చాలా. అవే మస్ట్ పర్టికులర్ డైరెక్షన్స్ అవసరం. సో మార్నింగ్ అన్నాడా, ఈవినింగ్ అన్నాడా, షాడో లెఫ్ట్ అన్నాడా, రైట్ అన్నాడా, షాడో ఉన్న పర్సన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నా, ఆపోజిట్ పర్సన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్. ఇది క్లియర్ గా ఉంటే చాలా. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం మీరు ఆన్సర్స్ ఇస్తారు. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ఆన్సర్? వన్ ఈవినింగ్, so before sunset, Rekha and Hema were talking to each other face to face. So if Hema's shadow was exactly to the right of Hema. So problem lo morning anada, evening anada, evening anadu. Shadow left anada, right anada, right anadu. Okay, in which direction Rekha was facing now? Shadow Hema దగ్గరే ఉంది, right? So ఎవరిని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు? రేఖాని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. సో దెన్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ సౌత్ సైడ్. బట్ మై పాయింట్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఇక్కడ నోట్ చేస్తాను క్లియర్ గా మీకు. So morning, evening, left and right, NS subject. Okay, so problem lo morning annada, evening annada andi. Yes, evening ki velipodam. Shadow right annada, left annada, right annadu. Okay, so shadow ఎవరి దగ్గర ఉంది? So Hema దగ్గర ఉంది. So you did not understand? Okay, listen. So Hema shadow was exactly to the right of Hema. Shadow will be right, Hema's right hand side. But find out the Rekha's facing now, right? So right hand means which direction? North direction. Okay, for example, listen guys. So for example, this is the Hema and this is the Rekha. Okay, so Hema's shadow was exactly to the Hema's right hand side. Hema's right hand side. In which direction Rekha was facing now? Okay, so evening, go to the right hand side, north. Okay, Hema is facing which direction? North side. And find out the Rekha. Rekha means opposite direction, right? So then answer is south side. Got my point, all of you? I think no need pen and paper. Okay, so any doubts regarding this question, guys? Online students, did you understand this question? I think no need pen and paper, guys. Okay, so can I ask one question in model number 3? Okay, for example, so listen carefully. One afternoon, two friends A and B were talking to each other face to face at a crossing. A's shadow was exactly to the right of B's right hand side. In which direction B was facing now? In which direction B was facing now? What is the answer? Somebody saying north side. Anyone? One afternoon, for example, A and B were talking to each other face to face at a crossing. A shadow was exactly B's right hand side. In which direction B was facing now? What is the answer? North side. So did you observe in shadow in afternoon? Afternoon means time is how much? Exactly 12 o'clock. So 12 means it is a afternoon. So 12 o'clock ki manam shadow eppudina observe chesamandi. So shadow 0 degrees ఉంటుంది. మన షాడో మీద మనమే నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్తాం. సో ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ మీన్స్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 12 o'clock. ఓకే, మన షాడో మీద మనమే నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్తూ ఉంటాం. ఓకే, సో అంటే ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ వస్తే దీని ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. మీకు డయాగ్రామ్ చెక్ చేయండి. ఓన్లీ మార్నింగ్ ఈవినింగ్ చెప్పాను, ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ చెప్పానా? నో అండి, బికాస్ ఇన్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ అవర్ షాడో మీద మనమే నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్తూ ఉంటాం. ఓకే, సో దట్స్ వై. సో ఇన్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇస్తే దెన్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 12:1 అయింది అనుకోండి, సో డైరెక్షన్ విల్ బి చేంజ్. బట్ మై పాయింట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ఓకే, ఆల్మోస్ట్ 99% ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇవ్వరు in case. Okay, very good. So any doubts regarding this shadow problems, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding this model? No. Okay, very good. And coming to the model number 4, so clock problems. A clock is so placed that at 3 p.m. the minute hand points towards northwest. In which direction does the hour hand point at 9 a.m.? A very dead easy problem, guys. Okay, look at the screen, guys, here. So in general clock, total how many hands in a clock? 3. What are they? Hour hand, minute hand, and second hand. So ignore the seconds hand. Just consider hour hand and minute hand. Okay, so 3 p.m. The time is how much? 3 p.m. So 12, 3, 6, 9. Okay, so in 3 o'clock, hour hand shows which direction? Which side? 3 side. Okay, these are hour hand. And minute hand shows which direction? 12 side. Okay, so these are minute hand. Then time is how much? 3 o'clock, right? Okay, so north side, east side, south side, west side. Okay, so the directions need change exactly alage unchesa directions. So don't change the directions, guys. North side, east side, south side, and west side. Okay, so the given information here, at 3 p.m. the minute hand points towards northwest. And minute hand point towards northwest. ఇది ఎక్కడ 12 ఎక్కడ ఉందండి? నార్త్ వెస్ట్ లో ఉందంట. Just change the direction. So this is at 12 o'clock. This is at 12. And opposite is 12. Opposite is 6. Okay. And this is 3. And 3 opposite is 9. Just change the hands. Okay. So just change minute hand and hour hand. Okay. Don't change the directions. Direction is fixed. Just change the hands. Okay. So now our hand shows which side? 3 side. So this is a hour hand and this is a minute hand. So clear and andarki? Okay. In which direction does our hand points at 9 a.m.? So clock gani ee direction lo unte, ee clock gani ee handles ee direction lo unte, 9 o'clock appudu our hand shows which direction? Okay. In 9 o'clock means minute hand shows 12 side, our hand shows 9 side. Okay, so this is a which direction? Southwest direction. Then answer is southwest direction. Our hand shows which direction? Southwest direction. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Okay, so directions మీరు ఏం change చేయొద్దండి, just fix the direction. Okay, only you can change points. Okay, our hand and minute hand. Is it clear? Any doubts regarding this question? And move on to the next question. When watch shows 3:45, the minute hand points towards east. When the watch shows 6 o'clock, in what direction will the hour hand point? Okay, so don't change the direction. Direction is fixed: north, east, south, and west. Okay, so 3:45 exactly clock, 12 o'clock, 12, 3, 6, and 9. 3:45 means our hand shows which side? 3 side. Okay, minute hand shows which side? 9 side. So this is the 3:45, right? Okay, 1 second. Okay, so 3:45, the minute hand points towards east side. So the minute hand points towards east side. So minute hand means 9, right? So 9 shows east side. Then, so 3 shows which side? West side. So this is the hour hand and this is the minute hand, right? Okay, now 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock means hour hand shows 6 side and minute hand shows 12 side, right? And here is 12 and opposite is 6, right? Hour hand shows 6 side and minute hand shows 12 side. Okay, so in 6 o'clock, what direction will our hand point towards? Our hand point towards which direction? North side. So then answer is north. Is it clear? So every day spend at least half an hour to 1 hour for the aptitude and reasoning. Chal, enough. సో టాపిక్స్ అండ్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ మీదకి ఐడియా ఉంటే డెఫినెట్లీ ఎవ్రీడే 1 అవర్ చాలండి మనకి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడానికి. బట్ ఇప్పుడు టీసీఎస్ ఎగ్జామ్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే డెఫినెట్లీగా గోయింగ్ టు వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ ఇయర్ ఇంకా డిఫికల్టీ ఉంటుంది డెఫినెట్లీ. సో ఐ థింక్ మేబీ గేట్ లెవెల్ వెళ్తున్నారు బిట్స్ అనేది. సో కమింగ్ డేస్ ఎందుకంటే ఫుల్ మాస్ కాపీ, రైట్? మీకు అందుకు తెలిసిందే. సో అందుకోసం ఇలా ప్యాటర్న్ చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఐ థింక్ యువర్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెక్ చేస్తే క్యాప్ జెమినీలో గేమింగ్ యాప్టిట్యూడ్ అని ఒకటి కొత్త ఇంట్రొడ్యూస్ చేశారు. మేబీ 1 year బ్యాక్ నుంచి 1-2 years బ్యాక్ నుంచి గేమింగ్ యాప్టిట్యూడ్ అని. చాలా మందికి తెలియదు గేమింగ్ యాప్టిట్యూడ్ అనేది. సో డిఫరెంట్ గా చేంజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు ఎందుకంటే మన మాస్ కాపింగ్ తగ్గించాలంటే. ఓకే, సో అందుకే ఎవ్రీడే డెఫినెట్లీ 1 hour స్పెండ్ చేయండి బోత్ యాప్టిట్యూడ్ అండ్ రీజనింగ్. ఏ రోజు కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆ రోజు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఇన్ కేస్ డౌట్స్ వస్తే వాట్సాప్ లో పింక్ చేయండి, డెఫినెట్లీ రిప్లై ఇస్తాను. Okay, so any doubts regarding this question? No. Okay, and move on to next model. Model number 5. I think very easy, guys. Okay, so the given question here, I am facing west, turn 90 degrees clockwise direction, then 45 degrees anti-clockwise direction, followed by 90 degrees clockwise direction, and followed by 135 degrees anti-clockwise direction. In which direction I am facing now? It is a stupid question, first thing. Okay, so first I am going to basic method. First I am going to here basic method. Okay, what is the first statement here? I turn 90 facing west side. Starting direction is west side. So 90 degrees clockwise direction. So 90 degrees is the 90 degrees clockwise direction. Okay, and then 45 degrees anti-clockwise direction. Again here 45 degrees anti-clockwise direction, and next followed by 90 degrees clockwise direction, followed by 90 degrees. So these are 45 and 45. So these are 90 degrees, right? Followed by clockwise like 90 degrees, and followed by 135 degrees anti-clockwise direction, right? Okay, so 45 45 90, right? 90 plus 45, sorry, 90 plus 45. So which direction? Same direction, right? Then answer is west side. Is it clear, all of you? So this is a basic method taking at least 1 or 2 minutes time. I think it's a waste of time. Okay, so diagram not required, guys. Listen, first note down all of you, clockwise and anti-clockwise. So first clockwise, how many degrees? 90 degrees. Okay, next 45 degrees is anti-clockwise, and 90 degrees is clockwise direction. 135 degrees is anti-clockwise direction, and then sum. 90 plus 90, 180. 135 plus 45, 180. Okay, so check the difference, guys. Check the difference. Difference is how much? 0. 0 means same direction. Then answer is west direction. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Yes. For example, guys, so anti-clockwise total sum is, for example, 270 degrees, for example. Okay, clockwise is 180 degrees, right? So difference is how many degrees? 90 degrees, right? Difference is 90 degrees. A person starting which direction? West direction. Here highest is clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction, highest anti-clockwise. Okay, highest is anti-clockwise, then 90 degrees difference, right? So move on 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction, because so anti-clockwise is highest. That's why you can move on anti-clockwise 90 degrees. So then answer is south side. Okay, got my point, all of you? For example, so 360 degrees is clockwise direction, 270 is anti-clockwise direction. So difference is how much? 90 degrees. Okay, a person starting, so west side. So clockwise highest or anti-clockwise highest here? Clockwise. Then move on to clockwise direction, 90 degrees. So then answer is north side. Got my point, all of you? ఏది highest ఉంటే ఆ వైపు rotate అవుతుంటాం. Is it clear? So any doubts regarding first question? Is it clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding this question? So online students, any doubts? The next, move on to the next question. What is the answer, guys? A man stands facing north. He turns 90 degrees in the clockwise direction, and then another 180 degrees in anti-clockwise direction, and then 270 degrees in the clockwise direction, and 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction. The direction he was facing now. Which direction? East side. Somebody saying east side. Then what is the answer? So east side. Very good. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Starting clockwise 90 degrees, and then 180 anti-clockwise, 270 clockwise, and 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Okay, the total sum is here how much? 360, and total sum is how much here? 270. Difference is how much? 90 degrees. A person starting which direction? North side. So here is highest is clockwise direction. Okay, move on to clockwise direction, 90 degrees. So what is the answer? East side. Yes, very good. Then answer is east side. So is it clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding this question? Okay, so I think very dead easy model, right? So any doubts regarding previous model? No. Okay, and last model, guys. So it's a think generally problems, guys. General problems. So definitely we are going to draw the diagram. Last model. So Anu has a magnetic compass which is damaged. The pointer of the compass that normally shows north is now pointing towards east. By using the compass, Anu traveled a certain distance towards west. Then okay, turn left, her left. Then she traveled a certain distance, and then she took a right turn. Which direction does she facing now? Already you know magnetic compass, right? Okay, the magnetic compass like this. So north side, east side, south side, and west side. Okay, one hand is given, right? Magnetic compass. So actually this magnetic compass is damaged. Magnetic compass is damaged. The damage avadam varana. Magnetic compass damage avadam varana. Now that normally showed okay, north is now pointing towards east side. Okay, so north and ఎటు వైపు చూపిస్తుందండి? East వైపు చూపిస్తుందండి. Got my point, all of you? Okay, so north is now pointing towards east side by using the compass. So north key right hand side is always east side, right? East is here. Right hand side is east, and so north opposite is south. South opposite is west. Okay, a magnetic compass look like this. Present ఇలా ఉంది magnetic compass. దీన్ని యూస్ చేసుకొని అను traveled some distance. Okay, so Anu traveled certain distance west side. West side means okay, so the west side, and then turn her left. Left means south side. So travel some distance, right? And then travel certain distance. So she took a right turn. Right turn means again the west side. In which direction she was facing now? So most of the cases students are tell this answer west. It is a wrong answer, because actually she moving which direction? North side. అంటే సో డయాగ్రామ్ యూస్ చేసుకొని మనం ట్రావెల్ చేయాలి, బట్ ఆన్సర్ మాత్రం యాక్చువల్ డయాగ్రామ్ యూస్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, షీ యూజింగ్ డామేజ్ కంపాస్, షీ ట్రావెల్ సమ్ డిస్టెన్స్, బట్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఎలా చెప్పాలి అండి? యూజింగ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ కంపాస్. So then answer is north side. Is it clear all of you? So any doubts regarding this question? Sudha has a magnetic compass which is damaged. North is now pointing towards east side, right? So in generally, so magnetic compass look like this, right? North side, east side, south side, west side. So magnetic compass is damaged. Magnetic compass is damaged. Now north is now pointing towards east side. So exactly this is the east side, but north is now pointing towards east side. North always right hand side is east side. North opposite is south side, and east, okay, east opposite is west side. So Anu using this compass traveled some distance. Okay, so Anu traveled certain distance towards west side. Towards west side means moving upside, and turn to left. Left means moving south side some distance. Again turn to right side. Right side means moving so west side. Now she facing which direction? Okay, so she using damaged compass, but answer మాత్రం ఎలా చెప్పాలండి? Exactly compass use చేసి మన ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాల్సి ఉంటుంది. So then she moving so north side. Is it clear all of you? Next problem. A man walks in the directions given below. 50 meters to east, then 50 meters to south, and then 120 meters to west, later 25 meters to north, and finally 70 meters to east. Then the distance between starting point and the last point is, only find out the distance. How many meters she traveled? A man, sorry, he traveled. I think no need pen and paper. Okay, I think very, very dead easy question. So 50 meters, which side? East side. Okay, 120 meters, which direction? So west side. Next, north, how many meters? 25 meters. And 70 meters east, right? 70 meters east side. Okay, so same is given, and opposite is given, subtraction, right? Same is given and opposite is given, subtraction. Okay, sorry, I am not writing south. South, how many meters? 50 meters. Yes, very good. 25. Let me check, no issue. Okay, same is given, east, east, right? 70 plus 50 is how much? 120. So 120 minus 120, it's a 0, right? And next, north and south. Highest value here, south. South. 50 minus 25, 25. Okay, how many meters? 25 meters south. Yes, very good, very good. So same is given, add, opposite is given, subtract. So any doubts regarding this question? Only 2 seconds. Is it clear, guys, all of you? So any doubts regarding this question? Okay. And next one. Y is to the east of X, which is to the north of Z. If P is to the south of Z, in which direction width of Y is P? In which direction width of Y is P? I think simple question, right? What is the answer? So 70% of the students tell this answer wrong, I think. What is the answer? North side. Okay, let me check, guys. No issue. Y is to the east of X. Somebody saying fourth option, southwest. I think right answer. Let me take, no issue. Very good. Y is to the east of X. For example, is X. So Y is to the east of X, right? And X, which is to the north of Z, which is to the north of Z. So Z ki north side, which is to the north of Z. If P is to the south of Z, so if P is to the south of Z, in which direction? In which direction? With which of Y is P? Y is P. Which direction? South. This south is the west. So the answer is southwest direction. One more time. Yes, very good. Okay. So Y is to the east of X. Okay, X ki east side level undalanడి. Y and person undali. So this is the diagram, right? And next, which is to the north of Z? X and a person Z kala undali, north lo undali. And for example, Z ni ikkada తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, ఇది north side కదా? Yes, ఇలా north. So Z ki north side lo undali. Next, if P is to the south of Z, Z ki south side ఎవరు ఉండాలి? P అనే పర్సన్ ఉండాలి. అయితే Y నుంచి P ఏ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉందో చెక్ చేయమంటాడు ఇక్కడ. Then so this is a southwest direction. So then it's clear. Move on to next one. I think small question. So recently TCS exam loading a question. Maybe I think 24th exam I think. Two cars start from the opposite places of a main road, 150 kilometers apart. First car runs for 25 kilometers and takes a right turn and then runs 15 kilometers. It then turns left and then runs for another 25 kilometers and then takes the direction back to reach the main road. In the meantime, due to minor breakdown, the other car has run only 35 kilometers along the main road. What would be the distance between two cars at this point? Okay, so road total distance is how much? I think very good, 65. Okay, total road, main road is how many kilometers? 150 kilometers, right? 150 kilometers. Two cars are moving. This is a car 1 and this is a car 2 in opposite direction, right? Two cars are moving in the opposite direction. First car can run 25 kilometers. For example, first car can run 25 kilometers and turn to right side and turn to right side. Moving how many kilometers? 15 kilometers. Again turn to left side. Again turn to left side. Moving how many meters? 25 kilometers. So direction back to reach the main road. So this is a main road, right? Back to reach the main road. Once. Back to reach the main road. And coming to the second car, due to minor breakdown, so only travel how many meters? 35 kilometers. Okay, due to breakdown, so second car travel only 35 kilometers. Find this distance, guys. Find this distance. Okay, so total distance is how much? 150, right? First car can run 25 plus 25. We are taking only horizontal distance, right? So 25 plus 25, 50 plus 35, 85, right? So 150 minus 85 is how much? 65 kilometers. Then option 1 is the right answer. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Okay, and small problem, please note cheyandi and draw cheyandi, just 2 minutes of practice. Okay, so Dev, Kumar, Nilesh, Ankur and Pintu are standing facing to the north in a playground such that Kumar is 40 meters to the right of Ankur. Okay, so Kumar is 40 meters to the right of Ankur. So how many meters? 40 meters. Next, Dev is at 60 meters to the south of Kumar. Dev is 60 meters to the right of Kumar. Right. Next, Nilesh at a distance of 25 meters in the west. So west of Ankur. So Ankur ke west side. This is Nilesh. How many meters? 25 meters. Next, Pintu is at a distance of 90 meters to the north of Dev. So Dev ki north side and already 60 and this one is 30. Total 90. There is Pintu. Right? Yes. Okay, and next, what is the first question here? In which direction is Pintu with respect to Nilesh? With respect to Nilesh, this is which direction? North-east direction. The first question answer is north-east direction. In which direction is Pintu with respect to Nilesh? Nilesh no direction lo unnarandi? North. So east direction. That is the first question answer. Next, coming to the second question. If a boy starting from Nilesh, meet Ankur and meet Kumar and meet Dev, okay, and then Pintu, again Pintu. Total distance is how much? Okay, so 25 plus 40 plus 60 plus 90. 60 plus 90. So 40 plus 60, 100, 100 plus 90, 190, 190 plus 25, 215 meters. Total how many meters? 215 meters. And next coming to the third question. Which one is in the northwest of a person who is to the right of Kumar? Kumar ki right hand side a person unnaranడి ikkada? No andi. Okay, a person ki northwest direction lo evaru unnaranడి? Northwest direction. So the answer is into. Is it clear guys, all of you? Okay, which one is northwest of the person who is to the right of Kumar? So Kumar ki right hand side oka person unnaru, a person ki northwest direction lo ఏ person ఉన్నారండి? Into. That is answer. First question answer is northeast, second question answer is 215, and third question answer is into. Okay, so any doubts regarding this question? Guys, any doubts regarding this question? Okay, once more explain third question. Okay, listen. So which one is northwest of the person who is to the right of Kumar? So Kumar ki right hand side is one person is here. E person ki northwest direction. This is the northwest direction, right? So northwest direction is which person here? Pintu. There is answer. And the third question answer is Pintu. Is it clear, all of you? Any doubts regarding this question? Okay. So I think last question. This is the last question. A river flows west to east and on the way turn left and go in a semicircle around a hillock and then turns left and right angle. In which direction is the river finally flowing? Yes, very good. Good question. I think simple question. North. Yes, somebody saying north side. Next, anyone? The river flows west to east direction on the way, turns left and go in a semicircle around a hillock. Okay, somebody saying Gautam. Answer is north. Anyone? What is the answer? So I think simple problem, guys. A river flows west to east. This, for example, is the west direction. So west to east direction, right? Yes. So Gautam already again told east side. Then very good. Answer is east side. Okay. So a river flows west to east direction on the way. On the way. So turn left. Okay. This is the left hand side, right? This is the left hand side and semicircle. This is a hillock, for example, guys. So form a semicircle and this is a right angle. This is a right angle, 90 degrees. Again, flow the river. In which direction? East direction. For example, so this is a hillock. So river flows west to east direction. Okay. Hillock like touch the water remotely. Again, semicircle ga form out. Okay. Again, semicircle form I. Again, 90-degree form I. Again, straight line move. Okay. In which direction? Answer is east direction. Is it clear, all of you? Think generally. For example, this is a hillock. River flows. Okay. So hillock touch చేసింది అనుకోండి వాటర్ ఇలా సెమీ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ మూవ్ అవుతుందంట. లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ మూవ్ అయ్యి ఇక్కడ సెమీ సర్కిల్ ఫామ్ అయిపోయి సో మళ్ళీ స్ట్రైట్ గా వెళ్ళాలంటే రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అయితే అగైన్ మూవ్స్ ఆన్ ద స్ట్రైట్ లైన్. It means it's which east direction. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding this question? Online students? No doubts? Okay. So total 100% is completed. All models completed. So total how many models in directions? 6 models. Okay. So any doubts regarding these 6 models, guys? Any doubts regarding the 6 models? If you are perfect in the 6 models, you can solve any problem just 2 seconds or 1 minute below. So online students, any doubts regarding the 6 models? Okay, no one is responding. Yes. Can I ask one general question? Yes or no? already asking one question. What is that? 100 is equal to 6. What is the answer? How? So 1 factorial plus 0 factorial plus 0 factorial and whole factorial, right? So then 3 factorial. 3 factorial is how much? 6. Okay, very good. Again, river problem. Okay, so a river flows west to east, right? A river flows west to east direction. One hillock, so for example, is a hillock. Okay, so and move on to left hand side. This is a left hand side, right? So form a semicircle. This is a semicircle. Again, this is a right angle. This is a right angle, 90 degrees. And again, river is flowing. In which direction river was flowing? It means east direction. Is it clear? Okay, so listen, for example, a family consists of 4 persons, for example, guys, son, daughter, father, grandfather. For example, in a family, total how many persons? 4 persons, right? So son, daughter, father, and grandfather. Okay, so unfortunately, one dark night, unfortunately, వీళ్ళ దగ్గర ఒక టార్చ్ లైట్ ఉందండి. Unfortunately, వీళ్ళ దగ్గర ఒక టార్చ్ లైట్ ఉంది. Okay, so it's the train bridge, guys. This is a train bridge. Okay, every 17 minutes కి ఒక ట్రైన్ మూవ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుందండి. Every 17 minutes కి ఒక ట్రైన్ మూవ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో ఎట్ ఏ టైం ఓన్లీ 2 persons మాత్రమే బ్రిడ్జ్ క్రాస్ చేయాలి విత్ టార్చ్ లైట్ తోటి. At a time, only 2 persons to cross the bridge with the torch light. For example, 2 persons bridge cross chesina sare, again 1 person is coming back, again 2 persons is coming to cross the bridge, again 1 person is coming back, again 2 persons to cross the bridge. Okay, so individual time, son to cross the bridge is 1 minute, so daughter 2 minutes, father 5 minutes, grandfather 10 minutes. This is the individual time. The total time is 17 minutes. Every 17 minutes, one train is moving, right? Is 17 minutes low, a 4 person bridge cross cheyalani. Okay, let me check. For example, first, son and daughter to cross the bridge. How many minutes? 2 minutes, right? First, son and daughter to cross the bridge. How many minutes? 2 minutes. Okay, so daughter is staying here. Again, son is coming back. Taking how many minutes? 1 minute. So total, how many minutes completed? 3 minutes completed. Remaining how many minutes? 14 minutes. 17 minus 3, 14 minutes. Again, son and father to cross the bridge. Taking how many minutes? 5 minutes, right? So 14 minus 5, 9 minutes. Remaining how many minutes? 9 minutes. So father is staying here. Father is staying here. Again, son is coming back. Okay, taking how many minutes? 1 minute. So 9 minus 1, 8. Remaining final how many minutes? 8 minutes. Finally, grandfather and son to cross the bridge. Taking how many minutes? 10 minutes. But here is only 8 minutes. Then what is the strategy? How to cross 4 persons within 17 minutes? So total 17 minutes of 4 person bridge cross cheyali, then use with torch light. Then what is strategy? Then tell me. So first, grandfather and father to cross the bridge, taking how many minutes? 10 minutes, right? So remaining how many minutes? 7 minutes. Who is staying here? Grandfather staying here, right? Son is coming back, taking how many minutes? 5 minutes. So remaining how many minutes? Only 2 minutes. I can hear 3 persons here. Starting. Okay, starting grandfather and son to cross the bridge, taking how many minutes? 10 minutes. Okay, who is staying here? Grandfather is staying here and son is coming back. Taking how many minutes? 1 minute, right? Remaining how many minutes? 6 minutes. So again here, son, daughter, father is here. Then how? Then what is the strategy? So then tell me. First, father and daughter. Taking how many minutes? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So father is staying here, daughter is coming back. Huh? Yes, taking how many minutes? 2 minutes. 7 minutes completed, remaining how many minutes? 10 minutes. Again, here 3 persons here. Grandfather and daughter, son. Then how? Anyone online students? Okay, listen. My strategy here. First, son and daughter to cross the bridge taking how many minutes? 2 minutes, right? Okay, daughter is staying here, son is coming back. Taking how many minutes? 1 minute. Total how many minutes completed? 3 minutes completed. Remaining how many minutes? 14 minutes. Okay, so son is staying here. Son is staying here. Again, father and grandfather. So, sorry, father and grandfather to cross the bridge. Taking how many minutes? 10 minutes. Okay, remaining how many minutes? 4 minutes. Okay. Father, grandfather stay here. Daughter is coming back. Taking how many minutes? 2 minutes. 4 minus 2, 2. Remaining how many minutes? 2 minutes. Finally, son and daughter to cross the bridge. Taking how many minutes? 2 minutes. Is satisfied or not? Yes. Clear? Okay. So, any doubts regarding today's session, guys? Any doubts? Okay. I think ఇంకో టాపిక్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాను బట్ టైం సఫిషియెంట్ కాదు. ఓకే, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 4:40 అయింది. ఈ 20 minutes లో ఇంట్రడక్షన్ కి సరిపోతుంది మాకు. ఓకే, సో క్లాస్ ఇక్కడ స్టాప్ చేస్తాను. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రైడే, మేబీ టుమారో హాలిడే, రైట్? ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రైడే సేమ్ సెషన్ 3 to 5. Is it clear? Okay, so then thank you. So any doubts, please ask me today's session. Online students or offline students, any doubts, please ask me. Okay, then thank you, then leave.